Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone looking to land a role as an IT support assistant. We'll be covering the top 7 interview questions you're likely to face, and not only that, we'll guide you on how to answer them effectively. Whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up on your skills, these questions will help you stand out in your next interview. So, if you're ready to step up your IT support game, keep watching. Question 1. Can you explain your experience with troubleshooting hardware and software issues? Focus on your hands-on experience with diagnosing and resolving common IT issues. Highlight the specific tools, techniques, and methods you've used, and emphasize your problem-solving skills. Here is an example answer. In my previous role, I regularly troubleshoot hardware and software issues, ranging from malfunctioning printers to software crashes. I often used diagnostic tools like Event Viewer for Windows and Console for macOS to identify the root causes. For instance, I once resolved a persistent software crash by identifying a conflict between two background applications and adjusting the system configuration accordingly. Question 2. How do you manage multiple IT support requests in a fast-paced environment? Discuss your ability to prioritize tasks, manage your time effectively, and communicate with users, mentioning any ticketing systems you've used. Here is an example response. I prioritize IT support requests based on urgency and impact on business operations. I use ticketing systems like Jira or Zendesk to manage requests efficiently. For example, when multiple high-priority tickets come in, I first address those affecting critical business functions and then move on to less urgent issues. Question 3. Describe a time when you had to explain a technical concept to a non-technical user. How did you approach it? Showcase your ability to communicate complex information in simple terms. Highlight a specific situation where you effectively bridged the gap between technical jargon and user understanding. Here is an example answer. A user once struggled with understanding how to back up the data to the cloud. I explained the process using simple analogies, likening the cloud to a secure online folder that keeps files safe. I also walked them through each step, ensuring they were comfortable with the process before leaving. Question 4. How do you stay updated with the latest technology trends and IT support best practices? While answering, emphasize your commitment to continuous learning. Mention specific resources you use, such as online courses, industry blogs, or certifications. Here is an example response. I stay updated by following tech blogs like TechCrunch and participating in online courses on platforms like Coursera. I'm also pursuing a CompTIA A+ certification to deepen my knowledge of IT support best practices. Question 5. Can you give an example of a time when you had to resolve a network issue? Describe a specific instance where you identified and fixed a network problem. Focus on the steps you took and the tools you used. Here is an example answer. In my previous job, a department's network connection was repeatedly dropping. I used network diagnostic tools like ping and traceroute to isolate the problem to a faulty router. After replacing the router and reconfiguring the network settings, the issue was resolved, and the connection stabilized. Question 6. What steps do you take to ensure data security in your role? Highlight your understanding of data security protocols and your proactive approach to protecting sensitive information. Mention specific practices like regular updates, antivirus management, and secure password practices. Here is an example answer. I ensure data security by regularly updating software, managing antivirus programs, and educating users on secure password practices. For example, I implemented a policy in my last role that required employees to change their passwords every 3 months, which significantly reduced security risks. Question 7. How do you handle a situation where you don't know the solution to an IT issue right away? Focus on your problem-solving approach, your ability to research and seek help when necessary, and your persistence in finding a solution. Here is an example answer. When I encounter an unfamiliar issue, I first attempt to diagnose the problem using available resources like online forums or the company's knowledge base. If I still can't resolve it, I collaborate with colleagues or escalate it to a higher level technician. This approach ensures that the issue is resolved promptly while I also learn something new. That wraps up our video on the top 7 interview questions for IT support assistants. We hope you found these insights helpful as you prepare for your next big opportunity. If you have any questions or want to share your interview experiences, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your interview prep. See you next time.